Chainlink saw a strong sell signal posted last week with a subsequent significant move down in price. Bulls are trying to take over and push the price back up, but will they be able to succeed with the massive momentum with the bears still in the market? Let's find out in this video. Jumping straight into it, we are on the Trade Confident.io website. Thanks for joining me today. We really appreciate it. I'm going to take you down to the Chainlink metrics. First up is the Chainlink emotional index, and we have dropped sharply down into anxious territory. This tells me that Chainlink traders are feeling anxious. This is to be expected after a massive drop in price. I personally would be feeling pretty anxious too. However, when the market is feeling anxious or even fearful, this can be a fantastic time to buy because the name of the game really is buy low and sell high. So if you can buy at low prices, this is a good thing. Heading on into the Chainlink volatility breakout detector, this is some massive volatility that has played out, and we are starting to consolidate for a little bit of time now. This is indicated by slightly lower volatility, but as of right now, the volatility reading is still pretty high, and this tells me we could still see impulse moves in either direction. Checking out the Chainlink whale smart money metric, there is long trade sentiment in the market right now for Chainlink. This is very exciting to see after a long period of short trade sentiment. This for me is where whales are really trying to take over. However, it's not until a metric value of around 800 to 1,000 that we're really looking for those next big moves up. Moving on now to the Chainlink major support and resistance levels, we are seeing really strong competition right here. We are split right down the middle. There is a possibility of a move up to $7.73.5 here, or a drop to $6.43 here. It is basically dead even between these two levels. However, based on this metric that we're coming up on right now, the Chainlink long versus short trades, for the first time in a long time across really any coin, we are seeing short trades have overcome the long trade sentiment. This is what contributed to the massive drop in price. As people start taking short trade profit and buying into long trades down here as the price has dropped. Remember, we talked about it up here where you're wanting to buy low, sell high. As people begin doing that, as traders begin entering the market, I do expect long trades to overtake short trades again. And at that point, that is when we should see moves back up in the market. Last but not least is the Chainlink daily trade scanner. And remember, in the intro, there was a strong sell signal that played out perfectly with the drop down. This was massive profit for anyone that took a short trade and rode it to the bottom. And as of right now, we're just looking for a buy signal, as we've seen multiple times on Chainlink. Once we get that buy signal, probably a little bit lower in price, if not on the current candle, that is when we're expecting the next move up in Chainlink as well. You are going to want to keep track of this if you are a Chainlink trader. These metrics are going to be vital in the coming weeks. So if you want to get access to this, you can grab a membership down in the links in the description below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and join membership right here. The very first link is the one you want to hit. Go ahead and click it. It'll bring you to our membership page. I personally recommend the full access for $59 a month, as this gives you access to all 20 coins worth of metrics on our website, as well as many more features like the future forecast, scalping trade calls, and much, much more. Just click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Right now, I'm looking at Link USD on the 1-day time frame. Price versus while money flows in pretty much the direct center of its chart. Trend exhaustion is in the middle of its chart too, just about to head into the bottom red sections. On top of this, the RSI, stochastic, MACD, and 50 and 100 moving averages are looking bearish, with only the 200 moving average looking bullish. This tells me that there is a ton of downwards pressure in the market, and the only saving grace is really, if you remember the whale smart money metric, how long trade sentiment is starting to come into the market. We are also at a really strong structure support here. This is an ascending structure support, kind of a mini pattern inside this ascending triangle pattern. Most often, ascending triangles will break out to the downside though, so if we see that, I think it's going to be a very quick move to this bottom structure support. I do have to say though, this current line has multiple buy signals and the bottom line has multiple buy signals, so it really is a competition between the bulls and the bears. If whales move money out of the market from Chainlink, this will almost immediately, almost guarantee a drop down, and if that drop happens, this will be a breakdown from this structure support, As that happens, as the price drops, as well money moves out of the market, the trend will become completely exhausted at that point, likely as we approach the next structure support. As that happens, we'll also likely see traditional indicators begin turning bullish again. All of these combined are the reasons I'm looking at Chainlink to head back down. The only question now for me is, where is it likely to head down to? There is a couple of structure supports that we can take a look at. The first one is right about here, with multiple touches back here, one right here, and one right here. That puts us at structure support at $6.72. With that being said, I think the $6.43 mark is more likely. That line appears right about here and actually intersects within a possible trajectory of the current price with the bottom structure support. So I really think that $6.43 mark is where we're heading next for Link. As this plays out, as the price continues heading downwards, you're going to want to check out these indicators on a daily or even hourly basis. If you're an active trader, this will be extremely important moving forward. You can get access for up to $400 off right now, and all you have to do is check out the links in the description down below. Just scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be at the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page with over 4,000 downloads and counting. The best possible deal will be to purchase the indicator bundle pack first. This will include the trend exhaustion price versus well money flow and trend dashboard, as well as several other indicators for you to use. All you have to do, and this will include the $400 discount as well, is click the link, which will bring you to the actual store page. This bundle is valued at $2,241 and we're selling it for just $400. All you got to do is click I want this, fill out your information as needed, go ahead and put on your zip code. I'm going to put on a fake one right here just as an example. Click pay, and you can get the TC top and bottom finder for only $349 when it's normally $749. This is a massive $400 discount offer. Just go ahead and click add to cart, go ahead and pay, and you will be the proud owner of all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators. All that's left to do is start trading and making some money. We really hope to trade with you soon. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.